Welcome back to another edition of Off Earth. My name is Daryl, and today we are working on an armorer helmet from the Mandalorian. As you saw from the pop-up on the screen, I am starting off painting this raw cast with a Duplicolor Sandable black primer. This will be the base for my chrome. Once we're satisfied with the coverage, we're going to let it dry, and it should dry matte black. Sorry about the poor viewing angle, that'll change up here in a moment, but after the matte black Duplicolor primer is dry, I apply some Specialist Paints 2K Automotive Clear Coat. This will lock in that black paint layer and also give us a nice gloss black base to apply our chrome to. After our clear coat layer is dry, it's time to apply some Imperial Surface Alumaluster. Now this is one of my favorite chromes. I'm spraying this on with a 0.8mm nozzle and needle HVLP gun, 35 PSI, fan, barely open, a lot of air, little bits of paint, and that'll help you get that super mirrory shine finish that you want out of your chrome. And if you look close, you can even see my reflection in this helmet. Even with the texture on top, it's still very shiny, and I love the look of this. Chrome paints tend to leave behind a dust coat, so you want to take a tack cloth and make sure you buff the piece nice to remove any of the dust that's left behind so it doesn't get trapped under our final layer of paint. For our final layer of paint, we're going to mix some more of this Specialist 2K Clear with a Sim Automotive Candy Concentrate. I'm using the California Gold like I did with the Loki helmet, and this is mixed 8 parts to 1 part. 8 parts clear coat to 1 part candy concentrate. Now, depending on your setup, this is optional. If you're using an airbrush, you can use food color in clears like aqua gloss to achieve a similar effect on your piece. This is just my preferred method. I really love the way that the gold comes out when you're mixing it into an automotive high gloss clear coat. Being that this is a candy, once again, like I said in the Loki Horns video, you want to use multiple dust coats. As you can see here, you want the layers to be able to adhere to the next layer. Candy has a tendency to drip or run, so you want to be real light with your passes and just make multiple passes over your entire piece repeatedly until you achieve the opacity or desired level of color that you're looking for. Hey, now we're on to everybody's favorite part of the process, weathering. I'm using various oil paints, not really various, I'm using black, umbers, raw siennas, just mixing them together just to get the tone that I want, and I'm making sure to press that into all the different textured areas because I really want those to pop. One part of the process that I forgot to record was me using a Marko chrome marker to bring out the horns. I forgot to mask them off when I painted the helmet gold, so I went back over those parts with a chrome marker just to bring them out, and then I'll use some of the black oil wash to just kind of knock it down to make it more of a gunmetalish gray. And like with applying the candy paint over the top of the chrome, when it comes to weathering, I do believe that you achieve a better look when you do multiple light passes of whatever it is that you're trying to achieve as far as the weathering goes. If you lay it on there too thick, it's kind of a pain to try to blend all that in. So just take your time, be patient. Make sure you're getting all the deep recesses and crevices of the helmets, because that's where your dirt and grime would naturally collect. So around the ridges there, in the back vents, towards the bottom, there will be lots of dirt and grime in a world-used helmet, like most everything in Star Wars. So that little step adds just an extra amount of detailing that, you know, helps set your piece off. Once the weathering's done, I install the visor and roll on over to the beauty shots.
Man, what the fuck is Sensei on?
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun making it. I know I've been doing a lot of stuff with gold. Probably have some more props that I'm going to be painting that will require gold. So bear with me. At least this way you get a repeat, tried and true process to make sure that you can achieve the same fidelity over and over and over again, right? Nothing wrong with that. But also I had a lot of fun with the camera work on this when I set up a new photo booth, kind of like a janky one, just using some IKEA tables and some black fabric and photo lights. And I also picked up these Ulanzi LED lights that are kind of like the Lume Cubes. I think I picked up 2 of these off of Amazon for about 50 bucks. I think they're $30 or 25 bucks by themselves, something like that. But basically half the price of a Lume Cube. They have a magnetic back. You have all these different warm and cool tones, RGB LEDs. You can adjust the brightness. They're fantastic. That's how I got that dark box with the kind of like the forge, orangish, fiery glow around the helmet. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot more with these things. I got 2 of them, and just mess around with photography because it's fun. I think it's invaluable in presenting your pieces, especially when you put a lot of work into making sure those details pop out. And I know a lot of social medias kind of dumb down our photography a little bit, so you don't get quite the resolution that you would out of your camera or even your cell phone. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, all products used will be linked in the description below. Make sure you check those out. Turn on the bell notifications so you know when I drop new videos. And with that being said, never be afraid to suck at something new. Talk to you later, guys. Peace.